I just didn't want the spirited driving on the road. Huh? Yeah, I didn't fancy road mapping it. You never know what the weather's going to be like.
Yeah, true. So I'm just taking one down the window. I've got my bigger injectors and that lot in it now.
I've done my parallel rails.
Yeah? What do they look like?
I've used my standard rails. Just chopped them about.
That's what mine's got. And then pipe going up. Yeah. Fuel regulator and...
Get your fat ass.
Yeah. That's what I've done.
Cheers.
I don't like your steering wheel.
Yeah. I do.
Yeah. I've got one of them in the Evo now. Wait till it goes wrong. Try and get off.
What, you got a cheap one?
No, I'm wearing a cheap one. Identical to that.
Might go wrong.
When they go, and the bearings go, can't get your wheel back off.
You've got to grease them.
That way.
What?
So you've got to grease them. You've got to grease them every now and
Brand
then.
spanking new, mate. It's gone within a week. Put it on there.
Oh, mine's alright. I've got my HKS on it now though.
Huh?
Got my dump valve on it now.
Dump it.
I just got a universal dump valve the other day.
Oh, it's got an HKS one.
250 one. Oh, I like that. That's proper loud. Is that the trumpet one?
It's even louder when it's boosted.
Yeah, is it proper trumpet?
No, it's just vents. But I still get chatter as well, which is nice.
It's not good, though. That's your turbo being forced opposite way.
It's fine. It's only got a little bit. It's been doing it for the last
Do your bearings in good
6 months.
Do your bearings in?
It's not bearings.
Huh?
Mine's not a bearing one.
What's got?
Mine's floating. Mine's bushed, not bearings.
Airy bush.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
I love airy bush.
Huh?
I love airy bush.
Cheers, got airy bush.
Eh? It looks like your face.
Huh?
Looks like your face. Hang on, I'll get the cock out.
What can we got there?
So what happened to buying the Scooby or something like that? You ended up with that?
Because he wanted to be an game. Or rather children of the light.
What the? Eve, yeah.
This is one of them, so.
Are you going to buy a different car as well though?
I'm going to have a first part GTR.
Yeah?
2 years' time. When she goes back to work, you watch.
Oi!
I will remortgage my house.
Ignorant!
I will.
Ignorant man.
Good, mate.
I think you've got that RB in it.
Tizzy, you do some modelling. Do some modelling.
I've only got one fan on this now as well.
Oh,
Maybe
cheers,
I took
come
that one
on.
off. Skidding away. Get
Yeah,
rubbing. It'll survive on one. It'll survive on one.
I'm not going for a front man stuff right now. So top man.
Just don't go over 120. Air goes straight over the bonnet.
I've got a big bonnet suit coming as well.
I don't know if that helps or not.
It gives it a lot of drag, but it does still fit in.
Is it?
Yeah. And I've got, because mine's the other side, different shape bonnet in it.
No.
Comparison to yours. You know, it's different.
Oh, you got the early one?
Yeah.
It's a non-facelift bonnet.
Yeah. Well, the whole
I don't know if you can get the scoops on that one.